This is Lynn Imaging's how-to video series. Today we're learning how to change the paper in the HP T730. First, roll back the cover on the paper and remove the spindle carefully from the printer. Remove the old roll by lifting off the blue cap and setting it aside. Slide the old roll off and replace it, making sure that the paper winds clockwise around the spindle. Replace the blue cap and set the spindle back into the printer, making sure that the blue cap is on the left. Feed the paper manually into the printer until it begins to feed automatically. Then close the cover. The screen will run through its processes and present you with an OK. Hit OK. You have now changed the paper in the HP T730.